Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 2.2 question number 14. Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has currency notes of denominations rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10 respectively. The ratio of the number of these notes is 2 is to 3 is to 5. The total cash with Lakshmi is rupees 4 lakh. How many notes of each denomination does she have? Let let the ratio of the number of these notes is 2 is to 3 is to 5. Let numbers of rupees 100 let let numbers of let numbers of rupees 100 let numbers of rupees 100 use 100 notes use 100 notes rupees 50 notes 50 notes and rupees 10 to note 10 notes be 2x 3x and 5x respectively and 5x respectively. Now according to the question according to the question according to the question the number of 100 rupees note is 2x, right? Therefore we can write total amount is rupees 4 lakh. Therefore we can write 2x 100 into 2x 100 into 2x plus 50 into 3x plus 10 into 5x, that will be equal to total money is 4 lakh and that is equal to 4 lakh. That is 4 unit 2 3 4 5 6, that is equal to 4 lakh. I see here is 4 lakh. Now it is 2 into 100, it is 200x 200x plus 3 by 15, that is 150x 150x plus 5 to the 50x plus 50x is equal to 4 lakh 4 0 0 0 0 0, right? If we add all the numbers, we are getting 200 plus 150 350 then 400, that is 400x or 400x or 400 x is equal to 4 1 2 3 4 5. Dividing both sides by 400 we get dividing both sides dividing both sides by 400 we get that is 400 x by 400 is x is equal to 4 1 2 3 4 5 divided by 400. this 0 and this 0 will cut, this 0 will cut. 4 on the 4, 4 on the 4, 1, 2, 3, 1000. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 1000. The value of x is equal to 1000, right? And number of 100 rupee note, rupees 100 note is equal to 100 rupee note is 2x, that is 2 into 1000, that is 2000. 2x, or it is equal to 2 into 1000, that is equal to 2000. 2000, right? Number of rupees 50 notes, 50 notes is equal to 3x, that is equal to 3 into 1000, 3 into 1000, that is 3000, right? Number of rupees 10 notes is equal to 5x, that is equal to 5 into 1000, that is equal to 5000, right? Therefore, we got the answer that number of 100 rupee note is 2000, number of 50 rupee note is 3000, and number of 10 rupee note is 5000, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.